favorite, Thief in the Night, and they're off. Early Lady is taken by Thief in the Night, followed by Goldmine on the outside in second, Elusive Cut, and Ice Storm on the farther outside, and Chinoy moving up on the farther outside, the chairwoman, Si Senor, and by the rail is Open and Slow, bringing up the rear Speed Spell. And as they leave the straight, it's Thief in the Night leading the field by 3.5 lengths, followed by Goldmine on the outside in second, and Chinoy Elusive Cut, Open and Slow, and I Storm Si Senor, the chairwoman, and Speed Spell. Into the back stretch, it is still the favorite, Thief in the Night by a length and a half, followed by Goldmine in second, Elusive Cut remains in third, and moving up on the outside is I Storm, the chairwoman, and moving up by the rail is Chinoy, and nearing the far turn, it is still Thief in the Night in the lead by 3 lengths, followed by Goldmine in second, and Elusive Cut remains in third, the chairwoman moving up on the outside, and rounding the far turn, it is still Thief in the Night leading the field by 3 lengths, followed by Goldmine, and moving up on the outside is the chairwoman, Elusive Cut, Ice Storm, Open, Slow, Si Senor, and Chinoy. The last bend for home, it is still Thief in the Night by 2.5 lengths, followed now by the chairwoman on the outside, and Elusive Cut by the rail, Goldmine, and Ice Storm on the farther outside, Si Senor. Into the home stretch and nearing the fair line, it is still Thief in the Night by 3.5 lengths, followed by the chairwoman on the outside in second. And nearing the fair line, it is still Thief in the Night. And finally, it's a cinch for Thief in the Night, and close finish between entries number 1, Elusive Cat, Ice Storm, entries number 2, Speed Spell,